Good afternoon, I'm Joy Mordeno. I'm going to perform oropharyngeal, nasotracheal, and tracheostomy suction. Purpose is to remove the mucus of the patient who cannot expectorate, commonly amongst the unconscious, comatose, and general anesthesia. Here are the materials: the forceps, the cotton balls, the 2 kidney basin, the clean and the wrist receptacle, the oximeter, the sterile gloves, the catheter, and the NSS, and also the suctioning machine. And here are the parts of suctioning machine: the collecting container, the filter, inlet and outlet, pressure indicator, pressure regulator, on and on switch, power indicator, handle, the air compressor, and the tube. Now I'm going to do the talk sequence. Read the chart of the patient, the name of the patient, the age, the sex, the doctor's order. So, I'm going to knock the door. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Joy Mordeno. I'm your caregiver for today. From 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sir, may I know your name? Mr. Cruz. Mr. Cruz, when is your birthday? December 12. Sir, then check the wrist tag for confirmation. Sir, I'm here for you to suction the secretion do you have so that the oxygenation will be more effective to you. Is it okay for you, sir? Yes. Sir, I will check your vital sign, and I will put the oximeter. And now, sir, I will leave you for a while to prepare all the materials needed. So I'm going to raise the side rails and lock, and then back to the nurse station to prepare the materials. So now I'm going to back to the patient's room, to the curtains, then unlock the side rails. Sir, do you want to defecate or urinate? No. Okay. So now I'm going to put the towel to avoid soiling and weeping of the linens and dress. And then I'm going to do the procedure. So first, check the integrity of the catheter, the expiration date, the fringe, the size, the discoloration, and the if there is the NC bites. And then connect the catheter to the connecting tube. Okay. So now I'm going to wash my hands, sanitize, and wear the sterile gloves. And then put powder for easily wear. This is my dominant hand and non-dominant hand. Explore to plug the suction machine, and the non-dominant is the one who attach anything. So plug, then turn on if it is working. So it is working. So now I'm going to remove the catheter, and then look at where. And first you have to turn on, and then rinse the catheter to the water as lubricating agent, and apply negative pressure if it is working. So now I'm going to do the oropharyngeal. First, I'm going to clean first the mouth of the patient, or to clean the mouth or cavity, and then gently insert up to 4 to 5 inches, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch and gently pull in rotatory motion and apply negative pressure. Do this only for 2 to 5 seconds only, and then rinse properly and rest the patient to 20 seconds only. So do it again up to 2 to 3 times only. So insert gently, and if you feel any resistance, hold it and rotatory motion, apply negative pressure, and then rinse. So now I'm going to do the nasotracheal. Check the nostril first. Now insert gently, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch and pull it slowly and rotatory motion, and then rinse properly. Do it again up to 2 to 3 times. Insert gently, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch and pull it slowly, and then rinse, and then do it up to 2 to 5 seconds only, and rest the patient 20 seconds. And then, so if you reach the left bronchus, you have to position the patient to the right. So insert gently up to 6 to 8 inches, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch and pull slowly, and then apply negative pressure for suctioning, and then rinse. And if the patient you want to reach the right bronchus, you have to turn the patient into left position. So now I'm going to reach the right bronchus, so the patient turn to left position. Turn to left, then insert gently up to 6 to 8 inches, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch and pull Fold it in rotatory motion. And then suction. Then rinse. So now, I'm going to do the tracheostomy suctioning. Insert gently, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch, and then slowly, gently pull it and rotatory motion and apply negative pressure. Do it only 2 to 5 seconds, and then rest the patient in 20 seconds, and then do it again 2 to 3 times. Insert gently, and if you feel any resistance, pull it up to 1 inch, and then pull it gently and apply negative pressure, and then rinse properly. So now, I'm going to turn off the machine. And then, now I'm going to put the catheter in the packaging. And then leave the or insert the catheter at the side, at the bedside of the patient, and then get the oxygen saturation, and the oximeter rather, and then do the documentation, the time and date, and nature of the nature of the secretion, volume of the secretion, reaction of the patient, vital signs, and the caregiver who did the procedure. So I'm going to remove the towel. Do aftercare, and then remove the collecting container to discard the mucus, and then discard to the waste disposal or flush it in the toilet bowl, and then apply any disinfectant. Thank you.